There biotechnology, where we will be studying two different things, but they are interrelated. In the first, we will be studying about all the theoretical portion and how this biotechnology working, and what are the tools which we can use in this biotechnology process we will be studying. Okay, one thing is this one, and in next chapter, 12th chapter, we will be studying the application of this biotechnology. कोई चीज़ अगर अपन थोड़ी थोड़ी पढ़ते जाएं, यूज नहीं है, देन दैट थिंग इज नॉट यूजेबल बाय द सोसाइटी, तो उसका कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं रह जाता है. ओके ओके, principles and processes, what are the tools, how they are used, what are the things which can be made available to the public by biotechnology. Okay, so all things we will be talking about in this chapter. dna and its modi and sending it from one cell to another cell, and products are produced. Okay, so let us first study the definition of biotechnology. So word biotechnology means bio and biotech. That's biotech. I'm not writing the technology word in full. Bio technology means techniques or equipments or which we are being using. So simple wordly meaning is living things which are applied, for which technology is applied. So this is the wordly meaning of this word. What is the definition? If we are using biological organisms or living organisms using technology to produce products which are useful for human, or producing products or processes which are useful for human or for human welfare, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी. कहने का मतलब ये है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी is an applied of branch of biology. It's an applied branch of where technology is used with living organisms or enzymes to produce some products or processes which are used in human welfare, जो आदमी के काम में आ सकती है. ठीक है, जैसे पॉपुलर एग्जांपल इज बीटी कॉटन. अपन देख रहे हैं बीटी कॉटन किस तरह से इंसेक्टिसाइड का छिड़काव किए बिना, स्प्रे किए बिना वो बढ़िया प्रोडक्शन देती है. वो कैसे उसको बनाते हैं. ओके, और अवेयर अबाउट दिस बायोटेक्नोलॉजी definition. Any problem here? Biotechnology means simple use of living organism and technology or technique to produce products which are useful for. So three things are coming. You need to remember three things. One is use of living organism plus technology, and to produce such as third one क्या हमारा एम क्या है, टू वेलफेयर. तो ये तीन चीज़ें इसके अंदर आ रही है. ये तीन चीज़ें अगर आपके क्लियर है तो आप लोग इसकी डेफिनेशन आसानी से लिख सकते हैं. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप इसको रट्टा मारने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके, यूरोपियन फेडरेशन ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी हैज़ सम डिफरेंट definition for this biotechnology. This is actually similar to that one, but the words are different here. It is saying that the integration of an organism, cells, parts thereof, and molecular analogies for products and services. What it is saying? It is saying the science use of science प्लस ऑर्गेनिज्म फुल भी हो सकता है, उसका वन सेल भी हो सकती है, और एनी पार्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिज्म ए बिग रोल टू प्रोड्यूस व्हाट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज. service. This is the definition of given by European Federation of Biotechnology, EFB. So if particularly write the definition of biotechnology given by European, then you need to write this definition. You need to memorize it. Clear about this one? Any problem till here? Yes, students. If you speak, then I can understand that you have understood the concept. Yes, any problem here?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next is, what are the topics or what are the things with which biotechnology is dealing, जिसके साथ इसकी डील होती है. यहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ें लिखी हुई है. ये sometimes the direct questions are being asked in the examination. Areas or topics with which biotechnology is dealing. तो आपको सीधा ये गया उतारना है. But main things should be 5 areas. First thing is microbe mediated. The processes which are in which microbes are used, like making curd. We already studied while we are producing curd. Which organism we are using? We are using for making curd. बताइए. Anyone studied this thing in previous chapters? क्या? Yes, बोलिए. Lactobacillus. Okay. So microbe is used. This is also biotechnology. While making bread, we are using Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast. Wine, we are already using this Saccharomyces. So Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in bakery and beverages, brewers or beverages industry. Second thing, in vitro fertilization test to baby program. If we have studied test to baby program or test to baby technology in chapter 4, what were we doing? We are fusing sperm and egg in laboratory outside of the human body, and then we are implanting the same either in or in uterus. So this is in vitro fertilization. It is also a biotechnology. Third thing, synthesis or using of gene. New genes can be synthesized and that can be used for making. Preparation of DNA vaccine. Yes, very much. If you are biologically enthusiast people, then you might have heard a great thing yesterday in newspaper. Can anyone tell me? Then I can understand that you are perfect biologist. There was one topic on DNA vaccine yesterday in newspaper. Any newspaper. अगर आप मैं मान जाऊंगा कि वास्तव में आप बायोलॉजी के लायक हैं और आप रियली बायोलॉजी पढ़ते हैं. One news regarding this DNA vaccine in yesterday newspaper. One company popular for making the DNA vaccine. Yes, no idea? Okay, I will tell you. One company is there, Zydus Cadila, and it has made DNA vaccine for children of 12 or more than 12 years age. That vaccine is made by using the DNA. DNA से बनाई हुई वैक्सीन है, जाइडस है. दिस इज अहमदाबाद बेस्ड कंपनी जाइडस केडिला. आप लोग की चीज़ें, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें तो हमें अलग करती है। बाकी सो डीएनए वैक्सीन हैज बीन produced by Zydus Cadila children is for children above 12 years। अब आप लोग बोलेंगे कि genome is RNA, then how DNA is used from that coronavirus, क्योंकि कोरोना वायरस का DNA है। तो we have studied the process that RNA can be converted into DNA by the process of reverse transcription, RT। So the RNA of inactivated RNA of this virus is changed into DNA by reverse transcription. That DNA is used as a vaccine in this process. So this is a biotechnology. Last one is correcting a defective gene. Gene therapy, one technology is there. We can replace or we a defective gene which is causing a disorder in that particular person. So this is there are 5 areas where we are using this biotechnology. Okay, core techniques of modern biotechnology. What are the core areas we used in modern times? One अभी तक आपने सिविल इंजीनियरिंग ये सब सुना है. This is new name which is telling that this is for a genetic engineering. Genetic word is there. Genetic word means related to DNA. Whenever we are talking about it means DNA और genes. It means इंजीनियरिंग में क्या करते हैं, मशीनों को तोड़ा फोड़ा नया बनाया, बस मॉडिफिकेशन इज देयर. सो हियर वी आर डूइंग व्हाट द टेक्निक इन विच जेनेटिक मटेरियल दैट इज डीएनए और आरएनए वी आर यूजिंग इज केमिकल ऑल्टर्ड. मतलब उसको काटा पीटा जाता है, नया उसमें जोड़ा जाता है, फिट कर दिया जाता है, इंसर्टेड और सम पोर्शन इज डिलीटेड फ्रॉम दैट वन और इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इनटू होस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म टू चेंज द फिनोटाइप. समझिए there is one cloning vector that is plasmid. एक क्लोनिंग वेक्टर है जिसको हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, प्लाज्मिड बोल रहे हैं. प्लाज्मिड एक ऐसा डीएनए है, इस इज डीएनए विच कैन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन बैक्टीरियल सेल टू अनदर सेल, वो शिफ्ट हो सकता है. दैट्स वाई इट इज यूज. क्लोनिंग वेक्टर का मतलब ये रहता है कि ये कोई डीएनए अपना है जो कोई प्रोडक्ट को बना साथ अपन जोड़ दें तो ये एक सेल से दूसरी सेल में चला जाता है और वो प्रोडक्ट अपन बना सकते हैं. हमें यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर डिजाइड जीन को हमने यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया, जोड़ दिया. यहाँ पे जो मैं ये ग्रीन कलर वाला बना रहा हूँ विद दिस प्लाज्मिड मीन्स जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज ऑल्टर्ड and it is attached to the cloning vector inserted into any host organism. Host means the cell which we are using for production of any useful product. उसमें अगर उसको इंसर्ट कर दिया अपन ने और फिर उसका प्रोडक्ट हमने किया एंड द फिनोटाइप ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म इज चेंज्ड. फिनोटाइप भी चेंज हो जाता है और उससे हमें उसके सिम्टम्स या सिम्टम नहीं, the characteristic features we can see whether they are changed. तो ये चीज़ अपन जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग वाली पढ़ेंगे आगे इसी टॉपिक में, तो और ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी मिलेगी. सिंपल मीनिंग इज दैट it is whatever it is, whether it is DNA or RNA is altered, it is cut from that DNA and it is inserted into one plasmid that is cloning. Then it is introduced into a host organism and phenotype of that particular organism. Okay, this is one technique, bioprocess engineering. The maintenance of sterile ambience means environment in chemical engineering process for growing desired microbe eukaryotic cell in large quantity for manufacturing of antibiotic, vaccine, enzymes, etc. Many more things are here. What we are dealing here we are using that particular cell which is having altered plasmid or altered cloning vector, and what we are doing is this technology bioprocessing, we are maintaining sterile environment, because whenever we are growing these microbes in bioreactors, one large tanks are there which are having thousands liters of capacity. तो उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, उस डिजायर्ड ऑर्गेनिज्म को यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं, यहाँ पे उसको डाल के हम क्या करते हैं, एनवायरनमेंट प्रोड्यूस देते हैं जिससे this cell can be grown infected root other areas, other unwanted bacteria or fungi cannot be grown, means sterile environment in this process for growing these microbes or any other cell, eukaryotic or protic cell in large quantities, बड़ी ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में उसको हमें बनाना है, और किसके लिए, टू प्रोड्यूस एंटीबायोटिक वैक्सीन और एंजाइम्स एटसेट्रा. So this is the technology. Okay, ठीक है. These are two core techniques of modern biotechnology. Okay, so basic steps in genetically modifying an organisms are: 1. Identification of DNA with desired gene. आपको मान लो इंसुलिन, what is the use of insulin? First let me ask you, what is the use of insulin in our body?
शुगर
लेवल को रेगुलेट करती है. इट इज़ लोअरिंग द ब्लड ग्लूकोज. दिस इज हाउ वी आर हैविंग कंट्रोल ऑन द डायबिटीज मेलिटस, और जिसको शुगर प्रॉब्लम बोलते हैं, हिंदी में मधुमेह भी उसको बोलते हैं. ओके, तो हमें इंसुलिन बनाना है. मैनी कंपनीज आर मेकिंग दिस जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड इंसुलिन, दिस बायोटेक इंसुलिन. बहुत सारी कंपनी. देन वो क्या they have identified the gene of that particular from that genome कि ये को बनाता है, उस जीन को आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया. then they have cut this desired gene from that is host DNA, and they have this DNA, identified DNA or if you are talking about this desired gene, desirable gene or desired DNA, they are same thing. into host का मतलब है उस सेल में हमें डालना है जिससे हमें प्रोडक्ट बनाना है. होस्ट का मतलब यहाँ पे होता है कि जिस सेल में wherever we are putting this genetically modified DNA into that cell is known as host. Maintenance of introduced DNA in the host and transfer of DNA to its progeny. क्या करना है, ये एक सेल जो यहाँ पे है that will grow and two after some time by this mitosis process or cell division process, and 2 cell will make 4 and 4 will make, and so on, and many more products from this genetically modified insulin will be produced by this process. Okay, these are the some steps here. Okay, I am not going into detail in these steps. We will be studying about this one. Okay, till now pausing and tomorrow we will be continuing. Okay.